Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be diving into the world of mirrorless cameras by unboxing and reviewing the Sony A7C. The Sony A7C has been generating quite a buzz among the camera community since its release back in 2020. With its compact size and impressive specs, it's a camera that's worth taking a closer look at. Now as we open the box, you can see that you're given a nice camera strap with the Sony logo and the A7C name. Next we have the power block converting USB-A to Polar ICE 7. Then we get the battery. Now we have the 3-pin English to Polar ICE 7 that I was talking about, and we also get a European plug to Polar ICE 7. Up next we have the actual camera that has been nicely packaged up, but we'll put that to the side for the moment. And finally, we have a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable to charge the camera. Now, before we delve into the nitty-gritty of the A7C, let's quickly go over its key specifications. The A7C boasts a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, a Beyond X image processor, and a 693-point phase detection autofocus system. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization ensures steady shots, even in challenging conditions. The image quality from the A7C is simply outstanding, offering excellent dynamic range and low light performance. It's a dream camera for both photography and videography enthusiasts. If you're wondering what the video is like, this whole video was recorded on the Sony A7C. Obviously you have to have a lens to go with your camera, so this is the lens I bought. This is the SEL-24105G. This lens is designed for E-mount cameras, like the A7C. It is a versatile focal length range from 24mm to 105mm, making it perfect for a wide range of photography styles, from landscapes to portrait. Now, this is all I'm going to say on this lens, as this is a review on the Sony A7C. However, if you want to hear more about this lens, let me know in the comments and I'll make a separate video on it. One of the standout features of the Sony A7C is its compact and lightweight design. It weighs just over 500 grams and is incredibly portable, making it perfect for on-the-go shooting. The A7C comes equipped with a fully articulating LCD touchscreen. This makes it great for vlogging and capturing shots from various angles. Its electronic viewfinder is sharp and responsive, ensuring a pleasant shooting experience. The A7C also excels in video recording, supporting 4K at 30fps and 1080p at 120fps. Its video quality is superb, and you can easily adapt it to your filmmaking needs with various picture profiles. In terms of battery life, the A7C performs amazingly, allowing you to shoot for extended periods. When it comes to connectivity, you have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options for seamless data transfer and remote control. All in all, the Sony A7C is a versatile and powerful mirrorless camera that punches above its weight. Its compact size doesn't compromise on any performance, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Now, if you're wondering what the photos look like from this camera, here are some edited ones that I've taken.